welcome back. For today's video, I decided to do a Pride makeup look. I wanted to do this makeup look for Pride to show my support to the LGBT community. I think I did one about 2 years ago. Was it 2 years ago? Or last year? No, it was 2 years ago. I never filmed it. I wanted to do something more graffiti-like since I did recently went to the graffiti alley. I had so much fun doing it. You can't go wrong with it because it's just like splatter. You only have to focus on blending all the colors together. And I also decided to pair with a red bold lip because I wanted to be bold. I feel like I've been always doing nude, 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 nude. I needed my red lip. I also wanted to add on top of the eyeliner 2 hearts to show love and support to the LGBT community. I'm not talking through this makeup tutorial because it was hot. I had the AC on and like it makes a lot of noise. It's in this room. I hope you guys like this colorful makeup Pride look. I wanted to do this before the end of Pride month. Let me know if you guys are going to the Pride parade. If you do end up liking this makeup tutorial, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also, I keep forgetting to let you guys know, if you are subscribed to my channel, make sure you turn on the little bell so that you are notified when I post a new video. I normally post Fridays or Saturdays. Oh yes! My birthday is next week. So excited. I don't know what I'm doing. I do know my husband's not going to work, right? Fun fact, my husband's birthday is before my birthday. His is June 20th and I am June 21st. So, the first day of summer. I think I will be posting a video. I don't want to leave you guys without a video. And hopefully it'll go either Friday or Saturday depending how my week is going to be planned. Make sure you hit that bell. I will see you guys to my next video. Bye! I had.
I'm sitting here in the boring room. It's just another
Ooh.
in the afternoon. I'm
What's going
wasting
on
my
outside?
time